How can schools support staff within DBI implementation?
So I think the importance of paying attention to how we support the adults in a building can't be overstated. And mostly we do that through what happens in team meetings and then what happens between team meetings. Pretty much that encompasses the whole day anyway. But in team meetings, think about youth sports. It needs to be made very clear what are we going to be doing when we all get together for a practice or a game, who's going to be doing what. And it's very important that everyone who's involved have something to do, or you get the kids doing cartwheels, out in the outfield. Same thing happens with adults. We need to all come to a meeting knowing what to expect, what's going to be the sequence, what should I bring, what is going to be expected of me, and we need to all know that something is going to be expected. Or we're going to have the folks who say, I'm here wasting my time. It's going to erode the progress that the team can make. So that's teams. Everyone has a role, everyone has actions in the meeting and afterwards. And then between meetings, when we're talking about individualizing instruction and intensifying instruction, we're talking about changing the behavior of the adults. We're asking them to do something different. And we should approach that the same way we approach children trying to change their behavior. They need support. So we need to not say, here's the plan, here's how we're going to progress monitor, we'll see you when we get back together with your data. One of those follow-up actions for somebody on the team needs to be following up with the implementers quickly to say, how's it going? What obstacles are you encountering? What support do you need? To make sure that you don't come back 4 weeks later or even 2 weeks later with data and you don't have data. What you have is someone saying, I couldn't get it done, couldn't get the materials, couldn't get the schedule. So paying attention to how we support adults in the meetings, outside of the meetings, and in between, very important.